Bank of America, Wells Fargo are under investigation for handling of customers' funds on Zelle. USAT. ODE. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is looking into the handling of Zelle transactions by Big B. Inc., according to a Wall Street Journal report. Below are your comments. Something is missing from this article, because it doesn't make sense. Everything in life is at risk of a scam, from servicing your car to a love relationship, and all in between. In the case of credit card fraud, even with all the efforts from the financial institutions, the banks are losing billions with AB every year. In fact, around 7% of the amounts processed in credit card transactions are fraudulent. Let's remember that CC are the bank's money. Zelle is a method of payment that involves the customer's money, not the bank's money. The banks cannot restrict Zelle too much without infringing the personal freedoms. When I use a CC, money involved is the bank's, and I agree to go through the hoops. Text confirmation, calling to allow the transaction, etc. When is my money involved? Like in the case of Zelle, I don't like to be told what to do, or what to do with it. It is mine. Period. It is my responsibility to protect myself, and I don't need big government or big banks to babysit me. Our society grows more irresponsible every day. I wonder if people would be that careless when carrying hundreds of dollars in their wallets, purses. Lack of accountability doesn't improve by the government babysitting adults, but by the sufferings in life. Thanks. If there is a banking problem, Wells Fargo is always involved. I use Zelle all the time. I get several warnings that if you send money to the wrong person, it's gone. It's not really that hard. And if someone falls for a scammer, how is that the bank's fault? I guess they could put a time limit where when you send the money it doesn't actually transfer for 24 or 48 hours. That way if you change your mind you can cancel. But no matter what, it would still happen and people would still blame the bank. Can't be my fault, must be someone else. Don't use Zelle, don't have a debit card for about the same reasons. The money comes from your account immediately. Debit card refunds can take up to 30 days. With Zelle, there are no refunds, not even for misdirected payments, fraud, or scams. Zelle is equivalent to throwing cash from a moving car. I guess the powers that be don't like Zelle. I love it. I can send or receive money instantly. I find it much easier than going online and writing an electronic check to someone, and they get the IR money much quicker. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.